Hello everyone, from Collins English Grammar book. We will learn chapter number 9, adjectives, degrees of comparison. Not only adjectives, but we will see the degrees of comparisons. Now before we start this, we all know what are adjectives. So adjectives are the describing words as they describe all the nouns. Right? That means we come to know more about the person, the place, thing, or animal. Now we have the word comparison. So students, always remember the comparison is always between two or more than two things. Okay, now in order to compare, we have some rules. First rule is rules for comparing adjectives. First thing is, always remember, when you compare between two things, যখন দুটো জিনিসের মধ্যে আমরা কম্প্যারিজনটা করব, তখন সেখানে সব সময় অ্যাড হবে er. We will always add er at the end of the word. How? Let us see an example. Now we have the word tall. Right? So what happens? This is the adjective, right? Now suppose you want to compare between two person. Like Ram is taller than Sham. Okay, now see this taller, this comes from the word tall, and we have er at the end, right? So as I said a little ago that we add er at the end of the adjective. So here is the example: tall. From tall it becomes taller. And when it is happening, এটা আমরা কখন করছি? যখন আমরা compare করছি দুটো জিনিসের মধ্যে, between two things. Okay, I hope this much is clear. Now with that, always remember that whenever you compare between two things, we do this. আমরা যখন এইভাবে compare করি দুটো জিনিসের মধ্যে, তখন আমরা er add করি. Okay, but with that we also use than. দেখো, Ram is taller than Sham. Clear? Now let us have another example. Suppose I am saying the giraffes neck is longer than the swan's neck. Okay, এবার দেখো আমি I am comparing between giraffe and swan's what? Neck. Okay, so the adjective is long. The adjective is longer, and I have added er here to do the comparison, to make the comparison between giraffe's neck and swan's neck. Okay, so with that I have also written than. তো সবসময় মনে রাখবে, always remember, when you are comparing between two things, two animals, two person, two places, okay, then we always add er at the end of the adjective, and with that than is also very important. So this was the rule for comparing between two things. Okay, now we will see the rule for comparing between more than, to do the comparison between more than two things. Okay, more than two things. Now So when we have comparison or when we compare more than two things, then we add est at the end of the word. We add est at the end of the word or the adjective. Like in the previous one we used tall, right? So when we are comparing between two objects or two things, then we are adding er. But when we compare more than two, then we add est. We add est. How? Suppose Ram is the tallest in the class. Now see, আমি পুরো ক্লাসের মধ্যে সব থেকে লম্বা ছেলেটার কথা বলছি। পুরো ক্লাসে in the whole class I am talking about the tallest one, সব থেকে লম্বা ছেলেটা হলো রাম। ওকে, তার মানে রামকে I am comparing রাম with the whole class। আমি রামের কম্প্যারিজন পুরো ক্লাসের সঙ্গে করছি। তো এখানে কি দুজন আছে? is the comparison between two only? No, the comparison is more than two things. We have the comparison with not only with within two things or two person, but we are having the comparison in the whole class. পুরো ক্লাসের মধ্যে আমরা এই কম্প্যারিজনটা করছি। So we have tallest, that means we added est at the end of the word tall or the adjective tall. Okay, I hope this much is clear. Now there are some more rules, or there are some more ways by which we can that means there are some rules where we do not add est or we do not add er at the end of the words. The words change completely. How? Like you all must have heard good, better, best, right? Good bhalo, better okay ঠিক ঠাক, best মানে best. Okay, now in the same way you must have heard the words like bad, worse and worst. তো দেখো, দিস ওয়ার্ডস আর অলসো শোয়িং দ্য কম্প্যারিজন। এই যে ওয়ার্ডগুলো আছে এগুলোও কিন্তু কম্প্যারিজন, এই যে ওয়ার্স, ওয়ার্স্ট, বেটার, বেস্ট, ওকে, এইগুলোও কিন্তু কম্প্যারিজন শো করছে না। বেটারে তো ই আর ইএসটি আমরা ইউজ করছি, বাট দেখো দ্য মেইন ওয়ার্ড ইজ গুড। এবার গুড থেকে এটা বেটারে চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাচ্ছে, বেটার থেকে এটা বেস্টে চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাচ্ছে, তার মানে পুরো ওয়ার্ডটাই চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাচ্ছে, রাইট? ইন দ্য সেম ওয়ে যে ব্যাডটা হলো আমাদের অ্যাডজেক্টিভ, এবার ব্যাডকে আমরা চেঞ্জ করছি ওয়ার্স অ্যান্ড ওয়ার্স্টে। তো দেখো এখানেও ওয়ার্ডগুলো পুরো চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাচ্ছে, রাইট? সো সাম অ্যাডজেক্টিভস ডু নট ফলো দ্য প্যাটার্নস or the rules that I just explained. Okay, their other forms are completely different from their usual forms. Now as you can see, in the same way there are some more words where we use more, most, less, least. তার মানে কিছু কিছু ক্ষেত্রে আমরা মোর ইউজ করে থাকি, মোস্ট ইউজ করে থাকি, লেস অ্যান্ড লিস্ট ইউজ করে থাকি। ওকে, হাউ? লাইক বিউটিফুল. Beautiful is the adjective. Now if you want to show the comparison, then we do not write beautifuler, beautifulest. Okay, but what do we write? We write more beautiful and most beautiful. More beautiful and most beautiful. So more আমরা use করি when we compare two things, and most we use when we compare more than two things. More than two things. Clear? In the same way the less, least. Okay, like suppose we have the word exciting. Now for exciting we can write more exciting, or we can write less exciting. Okay, in the same way we can write for the word interesting, these are just examples to make you understand. So for interesting we can write less interesting or least interesting, less interesting or least interesting. Okay, so students, these are the ways by which we can do the comparisons, or some of the rules from by which we can do the comparison. So here when you are using less or more, so these for some adjectives we add more or less before the adjective instead of adding er. Okay, and for some adjectives we add most or least. See, instead of er we can use more or less, and instead of est we can use most or least. Okay, that means we do not directly add er or est, add er or est at the end of those words. I hope this much is clear, and if not, then do tell me and get your doubts cleared. Okay, so see, an adjective in the comparative form is always followed by than, as I told you, like Ram is taller than Sham, and we always add the before adjectives with est. Always remember this. We always use the before adjectives with est. Okay, like Ram is the tallest boy in the class. Okay, so Ram is the, here we have est. এবার এই যে est যখন থাকবে, then just before this adjective we will use the. আর যখন দেখবে এই যে er, the words with er, এখানে সবসময় we will add than, যেমন আমি আগেও বললাম. Now this was your chapter adjectives degree, where we saw the degrees of comparison. What are the rules for comparing the adjectives, how we can change the words, or how we can make the comparisons within various adjectives. Okay, now for long it is long, longer, longest. For big it is big, bigger, biggest. For dark, darker, darkest. For cold, colder, coldest. Okay, good, better, best. Clean, cleaner, cleanest. Early, earlier, earliest. Yes, one more thing, students. See, early. Okay, so when you have y at the end of the word, then it will be changed as earlier. Okay, that means y will be replaced with I. So never do this mistake, like if you have the word heavy, HEAVY, so you may write HEAVYER. If you write this, then this will be wrong. So what you have to do, you will replace this y with IER. Okay, so this becomes HEAVIER. In the same way, earliest or heaviest, so you will write EARLIEST. Okay, this IEST, heavier, heaviest, HEAVIEST. Now kind, kinder, kindest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Beautiful, for beautiful I told more beautiful and most beautiful. More when you compare two things, and most when you compare more than two things. Okay, so this was your chapter. Here we learned adjectives can show comparison between two or more than two people, things, animals, place, etc. Then we add er or more to adjectives to compare two things. We add est or most to adjectives to compare three or more things. Okay, so do the exercises and practice it. You will learn it, okay, in the by practicing. So thank you very much. This was your chapter. later if you find any difficulty, then let me know. Thank you everyone.